everyone. We just want to wish you a happy new year. Yeah. We hope you make the best wish ever. It is about to be 2012. So awesome. And now, I will let, everyone, wait, what's my script? Yes, everyone, wish you a happy new year, okay? Yeah. Okay, and now we are about to wish you a happy new year, and we hope you made the best wish ever. Yeah, I think we get I'm so sorry. I think we get the point. Anyway, we wish you a happy new year, and we hope you had the best wish ever. I hope if you wish for a pony, never mind, I won't go there. Anyway, we just want to wish you a very special Christmas, and we also want to wish you, a very happy new year. Yeah, we do. And, I guess we just want to wish you a happy new year, and we hope you had the best time of your life. Even if you didn't do much, we still hope you had a happy new year. And so, yeah, I really, really, really hope you had a great new year. And I hope that you made the best wish ever. We wish. Actually, I do too. And me. I didn't even get to, ow! Well, at least we wish you a happy new year. Bye. Later. If you're a boy, give me your phone number. Stop. What? Anyway, happy new year.